Hey y'all, welcome. Today we are unboxing the Makartt June Your Nail Lab box. I recently fell down this little rabbit hole of DIY nails, and I don't know, I didn't even know this was a thing, but it is. And it's a nice little self-care thing that you can do at home. This is my third subscription box, so I'm really excited to see the contents of it. So let's dive in. Alrighty, so upon inspection, I see they still do not include the postcard. That's a bummer. I guess it is what it is. The box still includes their subscription, their signature motto, which is, your nail lab in the box, along with their web address to sign up for your own subscription. So let's remove this paper padding and see what our goodies are. So first up, this is from the Makartt Pro line. We have our raw glitter. This is in Disco Delight, and from the outside, you can already tell that this is really pretty. Rainbow glitter is definitely in my top 5 favorite glitter choices. So let's go ahead and just open this up. Even though I did notice that this container did not have outside packaging, I guess it is what it is, but it does have an inside protective seal. Obviously, you just remove it. Look at this glitter. Look at this glitter. It's so bright. It's so clear. It's so pretty. Like, look at how pretty this is. So, I'm just twirling it around for a quick second so you can take a look at it. Let's see. The next item is the Makartt. It's another raw glitter. I knew this one was in this box also, and this one is called Sugar Rush. This glitter basically just looks like snow. It just looks like snow with glitter in it. Like, how can you not like this? It's so freaking pretty. So, this is a nice glitter that you can use to make maybe a nice winter nail set. I don't know. You can go crazy with it. Even a cute Frenchie would be nice with this. So, all right. So let's take a look at the next item that I have in here. So this next item is their all-in-one acrylic and dip powder, and this is in the color of crepe pink. I have 2 of their other all-in-one acrylic and dip powders, but those have glitters in those, and I got those in April and May. Anywho, this powder is fine, like baby powder fine, which I would suspect is good for an easier application, better application, easy to use, especially for someone who's a beginner like me. I like this, and I love pink, so I can't even wait to use this. I don't even know what to tell you. I want to learn how to use this, and I can't wait to do a nail set with this. All right, let's move on to the next item. All right, so let's move on to this next item, which I can already tell that it says something about a base coat. So this again is one of Makartt's Pro, another item from their Makartt Pro line, and this is just a base coat. There's really nothing special about this base coat. It's just a base coat. The packaging, though, however, is something to want to talk about. So I do love this matte packaging. Let's look at the next item. The next item is a top coat, and this is a velvet matte. I am personally not a fan of matte top coat. I know it has its place. Basically, its place just isn't with me. I mean, let's move on. Okay, so our last but not least item looks like it's a gel color. Makartt, I'm telling you right now, total, this item is a 10 out of 10. Is a 10 out of 10. Just the simple fact that it has the color on top. This is a gel color in Dawn Nude. This is one of their 3 new items that they decided to put in this box. I am loving the fact that the color is on top of it. Look at how pretty this is. Look how smooth the color looks. I cannot wait to use this. So at least you don't have to do a swatch, but I guess you would want to do a swatch. You know, that's always the easiest thing to do. So let's take a moment to look at all of the items that we have with this box. Okay, so we have our raw glitter in Disco Delight. We have our other raw glitter in Sugar Rush. Then we have our acrylic and dip powder in Crepe Pink, which is a very pretty light pink. Then we have our gel polishes. So we have our base coat. We have a matte top coat. And last but certainly not least, we have our gel color in Dawn Nude. So I will rate this June box with an overall 8.5. For me, that missing postcard is just, I don't know why they stopped doing it. I do love the new look of the product line. This matte finish on the bottles looks very sophisticated. A very nice touch. And I think the bottle, the visible window on the gel polish, very nice. The box is definitely cohesive and anyone should be able to create a very pretty nail set with this. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see what I create with this box, let me know down below in the comments. All right, y'all, I'm out. Have a good day. Deuces.